Good morning, world. Maya here from Hilltop Hut. How have you been? Our Hilltop Hut morning arrives with gentle whispers. Raindrops tap their melody on the roof, while white mist embraces the mountains beyond my window. A beautiful dreamy morning unfolds, though my body still carries the weight of recent illness, leaving me numb and listless. I know movement calls, my furry companions and my own spirit beckon me from beneath the covers. Tea or coffee this morning? Today I chose to grind coffee beans, their rich aroma mingling perfectly with the morning's dampness, a divine scent that awakens the senses. For 2 weeks now, I've been finding my way back to my chi flow. The mountain's essence seeps deeper into my being each day. After closing the restaurant and simplifying my life in town, I discovered moments of morning anxiety and soon realized the familiar visitor had been appearing for years. Nearly 4 years of daily descent from the mountain, of constant interaction. While I cherish human connection, it gradually depleted my spirit. Now life cycle reveals itself with profound clarity. Since first moving to the mountain, I spent years grounding myself in nature's embrace, followed by 7 to 8 years finding contentment in solitude. Then came 4 years of immersion among people, diving deep into the water of human connection, learning humility and humanity, seeking freedom within community. These years gifted me profound insights into human relationship. Yet, when business pressures mounted, I lost my bearing amidst the town's rhythm. That weight began to pull me under. Now, I have returned to the mountain, seeking to root myself once more in its ancient strengths. Samsara, huh? Perhaps I am caught in its wheel, yet I see each turn as a spiral upward, each cycle offering deeper wisdom, each return holding new understanding. As the sun reaches its zenith, I am preparing a simple dish of Asian eggplant served over brown rice. This beautiful purple gem came from last Saturday's organic market in Vilcabamba, from Mercy's farm stand. She has a wonderful way with growing long radish, daikon, and these tender eggplants. While my own attempt at growing eggplants haven't been successful, I don't know why. I've learned to embrace what nature teaches us. I focus on growing what thrives in my garden and support local farmers like Mercy for the rest. It's a gentle reminder that sometimes letting go leads to better harmony. Now let's cooking. First, let's cut eggplant into 5 to 6 cm long and thin sliced. I'm using just one eggplant here. And sprinkle a pinch of salt on the white flesh and let it aside for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now let's prepare sauce. We need the soy sauce first. Tablespoon of soy sauce and half spoon of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 2 or 3 cloves garlic minced and a bit of ginger as well minced and a teaspoon of panela or brown sugar and 1 stalk green onion chopped. Okay, so put it in one bowl and mix them well. The whole recipe will be in the description box. So if you are interested in it further, you can go check the description box. Here I am adding half piece of chili pepper because I'm still sick. So for the recovery I'm gonna use a little bit of chili. Now the sauce is well mixed and let it aside, and then let's get some flours. Place 2 or 3 tablespoons of yuca or potato starch in a food-safe plastic bag. Here I'm using yuca flour and rice flour, half and half mixed. But you can just use yuca or potato starch, that's fine. Now the eggplants are ready. It's time to squeeze water out. So pat eggplant dry to remove excessive water. And now place dried eggplant in the bag with the starch and shake it to coat. Heat the olive oil in the pan and grill the eggplants until golden brown. When it's done, remove eggplant to the plate and add green onions to the pan. Add the sauce to the pan, then return eggplant. Now time to eat. Serve over rice. Wow, it was great lunch. I just loved it. It was delicious, delicious, delicious. These days, the weather pattern goes. As 10 o'clock in the morning approaches, the rain yields to emerging sunlight. White, bright rays pierce through the cloud, offering their nurturing warmth. I turn my face skyward, gently rolling my neck and shoulders, grateful for this moment of solar embrace. The rains have settled into their own gentle pattern, arriving faithfully around 4 afternoon and singing through the night before giving way to morning's sun between 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. I've learned to dance with this natural rhythm, using these precious sunny hours to transplant my tender greens. Colored green, kale, and arugula, finding their new homes in the earth. The weeds, ever-present companions, match my seedlings' enthusiasm for growth. Spring up day after day. Yes! they outnumber my food plants, I find beauty in this wild abundance. A tapestry of varied greens spreading across my garden and up the mountainside. The Zen teaching whispers, in the garden of no mind, weeds and vegetables grow as one. This wisdom has unfolded in my garden over these past 4 years. In conventional gardening, we often fight against weeds, labeling them as unwanted intruders. Yet nature makes no such distinctions. What we call weed protect soil, attract beneficial insects, and some, like dandelion and purslane, offer forgotten nutrition. My garden has become both teacher and sanctuary. Through it, I've learned that when we release our fixed ideas of what should or shouldn't be, we discover nature's perfect harmony. This truth extends beyond the garden. In business, cooking, and event, accepting both the planned and unplanned brings unexpected richness, like mountain mist that come and go. This understanding has transformed not just my relationship with the garden, but with life itself. The clouds are gathering now, whispering of rain to come. It's time for my kiddies and me to retreat indoors. Thank you for sharing this moment of mountain life with me today. Until our paths cross in the next video, may your days be filled with the peace. See you again soon. Thank you very much.